Nekona mkajua mane mitne. Katika mano wajo ni kisungu pek meli. Kendo ka oko omite dhogi to nyalo bagi. Penye Kenya oriwore kod piny ngima etwaka mandala par kod auchiel wi kedo kod lwenje udi kod kit chwech kaka okang' mar tieko lwenje ma kamago. Ka oloso sikund primary ma Kileleshwa e kaunti ma Nairobi, jaod bura ma Dagoretti North Elachi owacho ni sirikal nyaka koro wuog oko mar kwedo nek mag joma mine kod ohand fuoni mag dhano ma iwacho ni ogoyo tache pachoka. Elachi omedo ni kuonde toyo ngona kod bache ma pachoka nyaka koro ketnegi obadho mowinjore kod sirikal ka oseyogi kuom nyayo lweny mag kit chwech kod nek mar mine.
We've had very serious femicide in this country. I know the president has promised 100 million. But let me tell you, this is a moral issue. We can have the money, we can have everything. It is a moral value issue that we must deal with. And how do you deal with it? We must go back to school to start talking to our young students in high school and colleges and to tell them we all went through college. We all went through dancing. We danced at carnival, we danced at all those clubs. But one thing, we respected each other.
Kuna ila amekufanyia muliagree kumlipia school fees ama kumsaidia. Usikuje ku revenge ni kama unamfanyia kiunyama. Ni jambo kufikiria hata wewe unaweza kuwa na familia na uwezi furahia wako akifanywa hivi jinsi mnatufanyia. So tungeomba mtoe hiyo roho ya kufanya kiunyama.
Survivors or most people in violent setup, they fear speaking out. They also fear that they do not have a well-known place to maybe seek refuge from. They also do not have mental health support. So if we have safe house that has all these things well equipped, and they also get legal support as well, so that would really help.
Serikali yetu itilie mkazo kwa wale ambao watapatikana na hatia ya kujihusisha na mambo kama haya. Serikali na koti zetu sikuwa na mazoea ya kuachilia watu kama hawa. At least kuwekwe na sheria ambazo zitawakabidhi na wachukuliwa hatua ile kali ambapo itaserve kama example ili wengine wasirejelee kufanya mambo kama